All right, drivers behind the line. 3, 2, 1, power up.
And here we go, qualification match number 36. We've got all the robots moving quickly on the red side. 744, veteran team able to get control of the switch. 3410, tried to get control of the scale. Unfortunately, the cube fell off, and then they interfered with the scale. That will probably cost them a tech foul. However, red has quite the lead coming out of the autonomous period. Both teams have control of their switch. Red may have done enough also to get that auton point. We will see. We've got all 3 red robots trying to get control of or maintain control of that scale, which they now have. Red is earning 2 points per second, blue is earning 1 point per second. So red is up by nearly 50 points, and that is increasing once a second. Another foul being called on red. That will decrease their lead. However, it's still at 50 points, 100 seconds left in this match. We've got 58-42 and 21-52 over on the blue side doing their best to get control of that scale, at least get it neutral. Red is just so quick at getting cubes on their side. There goes the scale towards the blue side, at least perhaps neutral. And so now both teams are just earning that 1 point based on their switch, but red gets this scale back in their favor, and red has activated the levitate boost. They got credit for a climb and 30 points. Coming up on 1 minute left in the match. Red is increasing its lead. Was increasing its lead by a point a second, but now blue has able to get control of the scale. So now they're eating into the deficit at 1 point per second. 1876. The robot Viper trying to get the scale back in their favor. There goes 58-42, trying to make sure that scale stays on the blue side. Can they make up that difference? Red, however, just activated force, so they have control of both the scale and the switch for those 10 seconds. So red's lead is nearly 100 points, and now 30 seconds left, 30 seconds left. Teams can start their end game if they wish. We've got about a 70-point lead over there on the red side. Blue will have to make that up with in-game or power-ups. We'll see how that happens. 21-52 is looking to climb on the side. Can one of their partners climb on the front? That's what they're going for a double climb. Fewer than 10 seconds left, however. Red's getting a robot up, 1876. That should count. Power-ups going at the very end. Double climb potentially over here on the red side. It's up to the judges' discretion. Well, if they got the height necessary. Not judges, refs. Up to the refs' discretion. Refs need to discuss things for a moment.
So close.